Okay, so we were speaking about the small businesses in Dubai. Me as a business developer, I'd love to help, and I understand for you as a marketing manager and director, you would prefer managing bigger companies.
Actually, I prefer startups more. Okay, because just like it's challenging.
Yeah,
They're
it is
you
very
start
challenging.
starting and figuring out their brand. They're starting. They don't know their strengths yet. So
Yes.
step by step, we're building this for them.
So I was thinking, from my business development side, we'd like to focus on small businesses because we've been currently working with medium and large corporates. So can you tell us how we can help?
So first of all, we start we need to see the vision. We analyze the business. What is the target? What is the audience? What is the right customer? So not just like I want to get the money. I want to be sustainable. I want to continue.
But all these people who started these brands expected to be millionaires within the first 2-3 months.
So this is
which is why they stopped.
Yeah,
Which
business is
why
not
we
easy.
have over 50,000
You
companies.
know, just like this is not my first company.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why I'm telling you, like, at start from like to analyze the business, to analyze the market, to know exactly where is your position in the market. As well, you start like building a plan for yourself, building the brand, building the perception of people about your brand. Then expect money at the end, because when you're good, people come to you. Advertising, content creation, everything is a tool. Is not where are you going.
It's the tools to success.
A tool to your destination. So it's about your target. You're giving yourself a target, or you're giving us a target. When you give us a target, we work over it. We analyze what you have. We build a plan to where you're heading. We always optimize and change the plan according to the target that maybe there's a new after working on it. There's a new target showing up for us. We don't know that was like a target at the beginning. So we build it. We go for first. Maybe some people work for them social media. Some people work for them Google Ads. You don't know. You're
We do the trial and error.
Yeah, it's a trial and error, but like it's still when you're working with an expert, it's totally different.
Of course.
Okay.
I've seen our business development.
Yeah. So when you're working with an expert, it's just totally different because they done the trial and error millions of times. Yeah, it's you're not the first case.
Yeah.
So and they already know the market, so they can advise you with the right direction.
Okay, so can you give us like a timeline for small businesses or startups? Let's say startups, not small business. Startups and small businesses, and a timeline and a budget, or how much.
It's a little
I know
hard,
it depends on the business itself,
Yeah.
but okay, let's say a lot of clothing brands came up in Dubai.
Yeah.
Everyone wants their own clothing brand or personal brand. A lot of people are trying to brand themselves. So can you give us a timeline, like timeline of success, an average timeline, and an average price of how much they're expecting to pay for the
Yeah, so
beginning of their success?
we can give an example for
Let's give a shop for the abaya shop.
Abaya shop, for an example. Okay, first of all, Abaya shops now need branding. We start by analyzing where's their location, what is their nearest targets, and where is the business are coming. Just like from e-commerce, or they want people to visit them and their store. So depending on what they need exactly. So if they have
It's
an
not depending
e-commerce,
on it's depending on their customers.
exactly. So
Because if their customers want the
online or
vibe of the shop, then you need to focus on bringing people in.
yeah, if I'm bringing the people in, like for Abaya, let's say local and Arab expat is the most people that is buying it. So I'm gonna focus on Snapchat. I'm gonna focus on Instagram, and as well on Google Ads.
A lot of tourists look for abayas. I don't know why local brands don't target tourists. They're
so
only targeting the locals,
actually,
which is the minority.
this is really a good direction to do, and this is maybe will be one of our campaigns next.
No, we just gave our secret.
Oh, no. So what is happening? Just like we need to focus on the right direction. So this is dependent on the market. So a lot of people, you will be knowing more about your client after getting the reaction of people. The feedback is the most important thing. So marketing is a journey, and if you're not getting the right feedback, if you don't know what is the reaction to fix what is happening in your business, you're losing. So that's why you need to work with experts. You need to work with and analyze the action of the business the best way. So you will get the most out of your money that you're investing.